Okay, see if you can go to my, I guess first of all, can anybody hear me on the stream? You should go to my YouTube channel and see if I'm there and if I'm live. And if you can hear me. Yes. Oh, but they're able to hear you. Oh my god. I hate everything. This is awful. This is so bad. Why does everything... Yeah. It should be called Elementary OS live stream or something. But that's probably the like 1 out of 10 attempts. So I think you're viewing a different thing. So right now I'm streaming, I've got Firefox just up on my screen. Yeah. Oh, hey. Well, I'm hearing myself again. That's weird. So I don't think you can, because I think it's actually streaming my mic from the other laptop. Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, I guess if the audio is halfway decent here, I'm just gonna go with this. We're just gonna let's do it. Why not? Okay. Goodbye. I don't know how to view the chat. Oh, there it is. Okay, I see how this is working. And then I have to get the camera up here. I'm not on the minimal camera branch, and it's not gonna show me the camera. Oh no. Good stuff. So, yeah, if anybody's joining... Oh, hey! Oh, you get the nose cam. That's fine. We need a branch that lets you switch the camera, which somebody has made a branch, but that's fine. So, yeah, if you're joining this random stream, I'm going to just be playing around with some old Elementary OS things in a virtual box using boxes. How do I do? Can I do? Oh, here, I can do this. Boop. Yeah, sure. That's a bug that needs to be fixed. That's fine. There we go. Okay. So yeah, this is old school Elementary OS going on here. Oh, I already had it booted. So I was gonna go through the installer and stuff. Hey, what's up, Dan? I'm gonna look like way over there for the chat. That's awful. I'm gonna get this set up better eventually, guys. Don't worry. Hey, Dan, you should go to Twitter and reply to my tweet with this the stream URL or whatever, because I'm not gonna. I guess I could just do that. I'll just do that. It's fine. It's fine. Everybody can see my Twitter. It's cool. Here we go. Except I don't know what my stream URL is. This is really engaging. Really engaging stuff right here. Is this me? Yes. Okay. Okay. There we go, everybody. There we go. So let's get a boxes here. Oh my gosh. Let's get a boxes here. So this is Elementary OS 0.1 Jupyter, the original version. Should we go through installing it? See the installer? I think that would be actually more interesting than having it pre-installed. So this is boxes. If you haven't used it, it's pretty cool. It's on Flatpak or FlatHub. I'm using it as a Flatpak, which is why it looks like GNOME. And yeah, you can grab an ISO and create a virtual machine from it. So I'm going to grab 0.1 Jupyter, and I know this 32-bit ISO works. It doesn't know what OS it is. That's fine. The defaults are fine. And then we're going to boot into good old school Elementary OS. I really want Dan's like vocal reactions to this stuff, but I guess we'll have to do that next time. Maybe we'll just do Jupyter today, and then we'll do Luna tomorrow or something, or another day. Hey, there's the installer. It's Ubiquity, and it looks almost the same, like 10 years later. Incredible. Dan, I forget. Were you involved with Ubiquity design stuff at all at some point? I'm gonna take this earbud out. Hopefully it doesn't affect any audio. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and just say install. Oh, this actually looks nicer than it does today, I think. It's very clearly laid out. I'm not going to install any random extra stuff for sake of speed. Let's see. Yeah, just erase the whole disk. Yeah. So, yeah, this is GTK2. This is technically GNOME panel up here, I believe. Good stuff. Yeah, I'm in Denver. Yeah. So this is interesting. It's a lot skinnier than Ubiquity is now, which is kind of interesting. Like, it's almost like it more. It's more clear. Like, just like fill everything out. Let's call this Jupyter VM. Super secure password, some sort. Wonder if I go full screen. No, it doesn't scale it up at all. That's not useful. All right, retrieving file. I hope this thing is not doing internet things. Oh, it's probably off the disk, right? That's how that we're off the local pool or whatever. Actually, it might have an internet connection. It's in a VM. It's fine. I'm not going to type any real passwords in here. So yeah, if you're at home and you find an ISO for elementary OS Jupyter, please don't connect it to the internet unless you're in a VM or on like throwaway hardware, and don't do anything on that computer. Like type any password that you would ever not want public. Because this is from like 2011, so 9 years out of date. Out of support for security from Canonical, not supported by elementary, probably all sorts of vulnerabilities here. I'm sure all the Intel vulnerabilities and everything. So just don't connect it to the internet. That's the real moral. But please there was a so yeah, this is good stuff here. Please remove and hit enter. Okay. And it restarts. So I don't know why it named it this, but this is the right VM here. Is it mirrored? Is it mirrored for you, Dan? Or is it right? It looks mirrored on my screen now. I don't know if it was that way before. Okay, here's Jupyter though. Okay, it's just mirroring it for me. I'm like, am I streaming everything backwards? That would be embarrassing. So yeah, this login screen, this has got to be, we didn't design this, right? This has got to be something old, right? I'm leaning on Dan because he knows more about this stuff. I got involved with elementary like right before this release. So this is almost prehistoric for me. GDM, yeah, shutdown options. Oh, I got all, whoa, oh, okay. Sorry everybody. Let's just get this guy out of the way. Need to put myself somewhere less in the way. Why did it go? It's fine. Universal access. Yeah, look at that GTK2. It's actually funny how we're a lot closer to GTK2, like, or GNOME 2 style than GNOME 3 style. Yeah, I don't know. It's just like we have the title bar at the top with the icon here and the close button at the bottom right. Like still in modern elementary OS, we're a lot closer to this style than the more modern GNOME 3 style with like the header bars at the top with action buttons. Of course, I'm biased, but like I like this style a lot better. I'm not going to turn any of these on, but I'm going to log in with my super secure password. And here's Jupyter, the original OG elementary OS. Yeah, look at those icons. This is definitely, I think Luna had the biggest icon redesign that we ever did. And since then, we haven't really changed metaphors for things so much as like textures and colors. But yeah, like, so here we've got Midori, the web browser. Post Postler, which I mistakenly would call Postler in elementary videos back in the day, which that's like a predecessor of Geary. And then Dexter, we had a contacts app, which GTK2, no header bars. Oh man, forgot about that. Gearicon looks pretty much the same. So dark menus. Dan, you were playing with a branch of Elementary OS 6 style sheet that was maybe thinking about dark menus. I don't know what the plan is there exactly, but it's interesting. We have this dark panel with dark menus and then light UI theme and no dark style in GTK2. So everything, even media apps, were all light. Good old Shotwell, which still lives on as the, I guess it lives on under the GNOME umbrella as Shotwell, but the original code base that we've cleaned up has become Photos in Elementary OS. There's no like resize grip. Oh my gosh, it's like a 1 pixel. It's a 1 pixel resize grip at the bottom of the. I can't even grab it. Incredible. Okay, got it. Nailed it. First try. Also, like a lot more desaturated blues in our accent color here. That's interesting. We've got a lot more saturated with the accent color. Oh my goodness, there's so many chat things. I'm not reading this. GDM or original light DM. Yeah, I'm not sure. Yep, so 2011, it really is. And yeah, resize area sucked. So let's look at, let's look at Midori. Oh gosh, oh no. So fun fact, it doesn't support SSL, I forget what it is, or HTTPS2 or SSL2 or something, which we enforce for security reasons on our site now. So yep, you don't get to look at the elementary site in the web browser. Incredible. Yeah, I'm not going to go anywhere else on the internet though. But okay, so here's what the web browser looked like. You got your preferences, very GTK2. Wow, yeah, good stuff. But this is Midori. So this was a web browser. It was a GTK web browser, one of the only, or at least the best at the time, and it fit in with elementary. I think Dan worked with Christian on Midori's design, at least. So it looks good. Like, it fits in well with elementary OS. Well, at least with 2011 design. Good stuff. And here's Postler, which I'm not going to set up because, yeah, I'm not connecting this to any accounts. But actually pretty similar, like first run, and I can't see the inbox view, but I'm pretty sure it's pretty close to what Geary and Mail are today. We saw Dexter. Let's create a Dan Rabbit elementary. There you go. There's your contacts app. Cool. I can burn this. Contact to disk. So there you go. Oh my, Bracero. Haven't seen that for a long time. Amazing. If I had a CD drive, which I don't, I could burn this to a CD. Which, I mean, sure. In 2011, that might have been really handy, I guess. Wow. Okay, that's exciting. What do we got? Empathy. Oh man, Empathy. Back when chat services were open and let you use their APIs, or used XMPP. Yep, that was a good time. I missed that. Missed that a lot. Now I have all these crappy web apps. Lingo. Oh, hey, and this is Docky. This is Docky, not what's the trick to get to the preferences? Yeah, click on the very corner. Oh, it fades the whole background. Yes, this live stream will be up on my channel, I think. This is actually mostly a test stream, but I was like, why not poke around at an old school elementary OS version? Yeah, it'll be on my channel. I'll share out the link and stuff. And actually, if you go to the same URL, I think it should work in the future, because it's like DVR'd or whatever. Oh yeah. Dude, Docky was interesting. It was written in like like C# or something, or mono or whatever, and it had all this like 3D stuff going on. It could do the whole like crazy zoom stuff that may or may not have some patents for it. But we didn't ship it that way, and we didn't ship a way to configure it out of the box. You got to click on the very corner, and you got to know how to do it. Yeah, anyway, this is what happens when you have ADD and you try to do a stream. Shotwell, you saw earlier, very, very GTK2 with the menu, with everything you can possibly want to do in the menus here. As opposed to, I guess I could show you. I hope I don't have anything inappropriate. Here's photos, which Shotwell lives on, basically. So, yeah, pretty night and day comparison there of like, let's see if I can throw this side by side. Yeah. Night and day comparison of a much more modern photo app, but comes from the same code base, same basic functionality and stuff there. Even this bottom toolbar has got some of the same stuff going on. So interesting seeing the evolution of things like that, and a much nicer dark GTK3 style sheet going on too, of course. Yeah, what else? Show side by side stuff. That's what I wanted to do. Oh, we shipped AbiWord and GNU numeric. Is it just supposed to be numeric, or is it supposed to be numeric? I don't know. I'm not the best at pronouncing our software or software. So these were GTK2 native Word and Excel, basically, word processor and spreadsheet apps. Yeah, we shipped for this release because it was the best that was there, and we're like, well, you gotta ship an Office suite, right? In future releases, I don't think we ship them anymore, even in the next release, because people wanted them to be exact drop-in replacements for MS Office, and they aren't. They're good. They were good, and I'm sure they're still good. They just weren't what people were expecting. People wanted LibreOffice, but LibreOffice itself is a lot less native. It's not native GTK at all, so it would be weird to ship that. So in future versions, we just don't ship it. We say we have an app store. You can go to the app store. You can buy or download, whatever Office suite you prefer. Or a lot of people use Google Docs or Office 365 or all that stuff. So we don't ship Office stuff anymore. That's really funny. I've totally forgot we shipped GNUmeric and the AbiWord in their GTK2 glory. Man, these dark menus are interesting. It's just throwing me for a loop. Just like in context menus being dark. It's so interesting because I just expect like light style or dark style now. But back when that wasn't a thing, you had this like mixed light and dark style. Check out that contrast too. Oof. White on light blue. It's good. It's good stuff. We've improved in the last 10 years, I would hope. What else we got? Ubuntu Software Center. Oh man, the old one. Oh, this is old school. Wow. Check out that cloud background. I don't even know how to use this. Provided by Ubuntu with the old elementary logo. That's good. Wow, this is old. This is good stuff. I mean, it's actually pretty impressive that there's so many things loaded so quickly in here. I guess it's cached locally, but it's just all there. It's just all dumped in there, huh? And I guess you've got your categories here. Oh, you got drilled down. Oh, and you've got these really cool breadcrumbs. These are actually still really cool. Like we've emulated these sort of breadcrumbs in the Files app. Let's gotta get out of the. So these breadcrumbs have a pretty direct lineage, stylistically at least, to those breadcrumbs. And you can, go back between them. The cool thing here is you can click in here and it becomes a text entry or whatever. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Little archaeology here. Let's look at the chat. Numeric and X Maxima. Nice. It looks like the Mac App Store. What? Does Mac App Store look like this today? Like, or like back then? I don't know. I don't use Mac OS. I don't know how that looks. Interesting. With the huge, oh yeah. So you got your big old sidebar here, and sure. Oh hey, oh interesting. It shows the PPA. What? With a little Launchpad logo? That's super interesting. I don't think that's actually everything that's here. Now these days we get like app data, which actually this is interesting. It comes with a lot of metadata here. Oh, check out that highlight color. Good stuff. Okay, what else do we want to look at? Let's do a little tour of the top bar up here, I guess. Yeah, so this is GNOME. This is like legit GNOME 2. Like you could just. Did we patch something out to where you can't change the panels? I don't know how that works. But it's legit GNOME 2. Like GNOME. Oh Lord. That's incredible. Did we? We didn't do that. Okay, G-Calc tool. Okay, wasn't us. Whew. Those are quite the colors. Very pastel, very Easter. Yeah, very fabulous. It's kind of back into trend. It's got these like bright gradient, like it's back into being trendy, I think. But very 2000.